wishes and greetings to the dear parents and guardians of Little Flower School family. While the online mode of teaching has been helping students to continue their education in this COVID-19 pandemic, it has some limitations. First of all, it is no replacement for classroom learning, as teacher cannot effectively monitor each and every student on an online platform. Second, the quality of education delivered through online mode depends upon a lot of variables that cannot be controlled easily, such as availability of smart devices and access to a fast internet connection. As per the order of MHA and the guidelines of the state government, we have reopened our school for classes 10th and 12th on 19th October 2020 and 3rd November 2020 for classes 9th and 11th, adhering to all the safety measures. In compliance with the guidelines and keeping the safety of the students, teachers and all the persons working inside the campus building and its premises has been sanitized by the school administration every day. Now, letter of consent. Letter of consent by the parents is mandatory for the students to come inside the school campus for instruction. Without this, students will not be permitted inside the classroom. Mask is compulsory for the entry into the school campus. Students shall not remove their mask as long as they are in the school campus. Social distancing will be compulsory, which shall be followed or practiced by everyone inside the campus. Students shall bring their own sanitizer for their personal use, and students shall sanitize their hands before they enter into the school campus and school building. Sanitizer machines are installed at the entrance of the school building to the classroom section. Thermal screening will be done before you enter into the school building. Students have to cooperate with all safety measures. Now, students shall be sent to school only as per the wish of the parents. This I would like to tell you once again. माता पिता के चाहने से ही बच्चों को स्कूल में आना अलाउ है. स्कूल की तरफ से कोई कंपल्शन नहीं है. अभिभावक की अनुमति के बाद ही बच्चे स्कूल आएंगे. Online video lectures will continue to be posted as the mode of instruction until the syllabus of the academic year is completed. So online video lectures will be post किए जाएंगे सारे जैसे पहले किए जाते थे जब तक कि syllabus इस साल का पूरा नहीं होता है. Attendance will not be compulsory and coming to school will be optional for the students. I am repeating here, attendance is not compulsory and coming to students is optional for the students. That's why the video lectures are also posted on the site. Okay. Now, one shift of the students, those who are coming for the classes, will be of 3 hours without any break or recess. Now, wearing of tie is not compulsory and is optional until the further notice is given to you, but you can wear full sleeve shirt or uniform as the weather is also changing. Now, sitting arrangement. Sitting arrangement in classes is done according to the roll number. It is fixed and student has to sit on the particular fixed roll number seat only. Students shall not borrow any stationery items from their companions. I repeat, the students are not allowed to borrow any of the stationery item from their companions. कोई भी चीज़ कोई बच्चा एक दूसरे से नहीं लेगा. स्टेशनरी आइटम्स कॉपीज़ हैं, बुक्स हैं या पेन पेंसिल स्टेशनरी, कोई भी चीज़ आप एक दूसरे से ना लेंगे ना देंगे. इसका बहुत ध्यान रखना है आप लोगों को. Okay. Now, students shall be bringing their own water bottles. For any reason whatsoever, you will not drink water from the companion's bottle. So you have to bring your own water bottle and take care that you drink water from your own bottles. Do not drink water in any situation from the other students' water bottle. Though the common drinking water booths will be functional, the students are requested not to fetch water from there. You have to bring your own water from the home. Now, entry of all the students will be through gate number 1, which is the main gate of the school, and exit of those students who come by their own convenience and by foot. They will be exiting through the gate number 2, which is near the football court. Exit of those students who come by two-wheelers like bicycle, scooty, they will be exiting through the gate number 1, which is the main gate of the school. Parents shall not send their child to the school if your place is in contaminated zone, lockdown area. In such a situation, you shall inform your class teacher in advance. This I would like to tell you in Hindi also. माता पिता और अभिभावकों से निवेदन है, अगर आपका क्षेत्र कंटामिनेटेड जोन में आता है या फिर लॉकडाउन एरिया में है तो आपको अपने बच्चे को स्कूल नहीं भेजना है, और इसके बारे में आपको क्लास टीचर को इन्फॉर्म करना है कि हमारा घर, हमारा क्षेत्र कंटामिनेटेड जोन में है या लॉकडाउन एरिया में है, इसीलिए हम बच्चे को स्कूल नहीं भेज पाएंगे। अभिभावकों को ये क्लास टीचर को इन्फॉर्म करना होगा। Now, parents shall be very careful and responsible while sending the child, and shall not send the child if you suspect fever, temperature variation, cold, cough, throat pain, breathing problem, body pain, and any COVID-19 health issues or related symptoms. This I want to tell you in Hindi also. अभिभावकों और माता पिताओं से निवेदन है कि बच्चे को स्कूल नहीं भेजना है अगर बच्चे को बुखार है, उसका तापमान बढ़ रहा है या गिर रहा है, उसको खांसी है, जुखाम है, या सांस लेने में तकलीफ है, या सिर दर्द है, या बदन दर्द है। अगर कोई भी कोविड-19 का लक्षण आपको लगता है आपके बच्चे में है तो उसे आपको स्कूल नहीं आने देना है, घर पे ही आराम करना है और ठीक होने के बाद ही स्कूल आना है। Now, child shall not be sent to school in case of any member of the family, joint family member, relatives with whom the child has come in contact with is in isolation, quarantine, infected and tested positive for COVID-19. In no way you shall hide the fact by sending the child to the school. So, माता पिता और अभिभावकों को ये ध्यान रखना है, यदि आपके घर में, यदि आपका परिवार में या रिश्तेदार में या आस पड़ोस में कोई भी कोविड-19 पॉजिटिव है और बच्चा उसके संपर्क में आया है तो बच्चे को स्कूल नहीं भेजना है, और ये बात स्कूल से नहीं छुपानी है बच्चे को स्कूल भेज के। तो इस चीज़ का पेरेंट्स को बहुत ध्यान रखना है। यदि आपके घर में, यदि आपके रिलेटिव्स में बच्चा अगर किसी ऐसे इंसान से कांटेक्ट में आ रहा है जिसे कोविड-19 पॉजिटिव है तो बच्चे को स्कूल नहीं भेजना है, और ये बात स्कूल से नहीं छुपानी है। As the number of positive cases is increasing, the people are getting exposed and the risk of factor being infected and contracting the virus is really higher. Now, positive cases are increasing, but we do not believe it much or see. हम लोग ज़्यादा देखते नहीं हैं, लेकिन हमें ये ध्यान रखना है कि कोविड-19 बढ़ता जा रहा है और लोग इसके संपर्क में ज़्यादा आ रहे हैं, इसीलिए हमें अपना ध्यान बहुत ज़्यादा रखना है। Now, students and teachers shall take all the safety measures and its personal responsibility. Now, बच्चों को, टीचर्स को बहुत ध्यान रखना है, ये हमारी खुद की एक पर्सनल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है। Now, we are committed to adhere all the safety norms, COVID-19 protocol, and all the precautionary measures. However, it is individual responsibility and therefore shall not blame anyone or institute for anything unfortunate happening. So, हमारी ये खुद की जिम्मेदारी है, अगर कुछ भी गलत हो जाता है तो ये स्कूल की जिम्मेदारी भी नहीं होगी, इसीलिए हमें अपना खुद का इंडिविजुअली ध्यान रखना है। Safety of the students, teachers and all the personnel working inside the campus has been our utmost concern. Therefore, any awful or witchful violation of the protocol will incur disciplinary action. We trust upon the providence of God to keep us all safe from this pandemic until we overcome this. अभिभावकों और माता पिताओं से निवेदन है कि वो बच्चों को समझाएं कि जब वो स्कूल से बाहर निकलें तो मास्क लगाए रखें, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का पालन करें, क्योंकि बच्चे बाहर निकलने के बाद ये बातें भूल जाते हैं। तो जब आप अपने बच्चे को स्कूल भेजते हैं तो उन्हें समझाएं कि जब वो स्कूल से बाहर निकल जाएंगे गेट के बाहर और घर पहुंचने तक उन्हें सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का पालन करना है, चाहे वो अपने मित्रों से बातें कर रहे हो, मास्क बिल्कुल नहीं हटाना है और सारी चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना है। ये बहुत ज़रूरी है, ये आपको समझाना है उन्हें। सो thank you once again, dear parents and guardians, for your support through this most unprecedented and challenging time. Thank you and God bless us all.